Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Xiaomi Redmi 10 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup and then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then undo 5 screws to take out the camera lens with the frame. Next, undo 11 screws on the mid frame. Next, take out the SIM tray. Next, disconnect the fingerprint button flex. Next, using a plastic car pry tool, create an opening to separate the back car frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to disengage the plastic clips. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, pull out the not working battery from the body. First, relax the adhesive on both sides and pull the battery from the right hand side tab. Be gentle in this process. Next, place the new battery on the body and then secure both tapes on the sides. If the new battery is not coming with the adhesive, remove the orange color adhesive strip and place it on the right side of the new battery. Next, secure the button flex connector. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, secure the mid frame on the body. Ensure the clips are fastened on the frame. Next, add the SIM tray. Next, secure 11 screws on the frame. Next, place and secure the camera lens frame by adding 5 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we add in binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.